Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a little pop-up video. I wanted to work on my Mythic Savings Box Challenge from Financial Dreams with Christine. And this is my alter ego that's doing the challenge. You know, you have choices if you want to. They're all beautiful. They're all stunning. Absolutely stunning. So she reminded me of Wonder Woman, and I was like, yeah, I feel like that's going to work for my Mythic Savings Box. So, we have an IOU. So let's figure out how much money we have. I think we have 60. I do have my Coke Zero like right here. I haven't opened it yet, but that's going to happen in a second. So how are you? How is your weekend going? Trying to count and talk at the same time. And then I believe these are 10 ones. Yes, so we do have $60. And we will have 59 to play because I'm about to pay this IOU. So let's grab that for our Zeus. All right, let's open my dice tower. Gorgeous dice tower from Dawn's husband, Jim. Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. I love this tower. Okay, so we need our cards, which I thought I got everything out, but now I'm like, where is everything? If it was a snake, it would have bit me. All right. Let's try this again. Take two. Okay, so let's get our cards out. I feel we don't have that many cards. Ooh, should we start with the quest? I think we only have one more quest. I don't think we can finish everything today, especially if we get hit with a giant quest. But all right, let's put our cards there next to me. Let's look at our quest first. I think we have a lot of minis left, but I made them $1 or $2. I feel like we're crooked. Hold on. Boop. A little better. All right. Mythic quests. Ooh, we have one left. And this is Lycoria. She's also stunning and beautiful and amazing. Okay. I'm a little nervous. All right. Quest 8. We have the trickster god Pan has lost his reed pipes. The pipes must be recovered. With help of the son of Artemis, Lycoria tracks down their location in the labyrinth. With her lyre and bow and arrows, she vanquishes her enemies and retrieves the pipes. Roll a 4-sided die, a 6-sided die, and a 20-sided die. Add the amounts together to determine her reward and save that amount. Ooh, alrighty. So a 4, a 6, and a 20, huh? Let's get my little bowl. Let's see what we got. All right, this is our 20. This can be our 6. And then we'll have this pretty one be our 4. All right. So 26 and 4. All right, guys. Ooh, here we go. I'm not as nervous because we have money, but I'm also nervous because I could take all of it. 19. Oh my gosh. 19 and 5. So that's $24. Ooh, all right. Well, $24 it is. 19. Well, it wasn't 20, so I guess it could have been worse. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. I'm going to see if there's a 5 or a 1. There is. So I'm going to put these ones back and take a 5. So we're putting in 25. Should we count it? Let's count it. 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, $106 in quests. That's exciting. Okay. Quests are done. So now we're going to go back up here. All right, that took almost half. That looks expensive. Okay, I would have figured Zeus, but no, it's probably the water guy, Poseidon. There it is, $14. This is going to be a very quick pop-up video, but we finished this one. 5 and 10. $11, $12, $13, $14 for the Trident. I said the water guy. Oh my gosh, Eva. I swear. It's early morning Saturday. I should be sleeping, but the dogs were like, none of that. No, you don't get to sleep in on a Saturday. Who do you think you are? I think they were thinking something like that. Okay, so yay, Poseidon's done. Okay, so let's do that. All right, let's go again. Do I have one card? Yes. Oh, that's pretty. And those flowers. Okay. There it is. Crocus for $9. So that one is done. And I just have my little container where I'm putting my cards over to the side. So do we have a 1? Yes. So put a 1 back, and I will take 2 5s for $10. And we still have the winged sandals, so this card is not done yet. Just going to shove the money in there. All right, we're just going to keep going and see. We'll probably have an IOU, but that's okay. Okay. Ooh. Artemis, $7 for the moon. Well, that's nice. Okay, so $7. 5, 6, and 7. And then this card is done. Artemis is done. All right. So now we are going to go back to my minis. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5 worth of minis. I keep trying to take the money out of there. All right, so we have $1 more for Hades. Because I made each one $1, so that's for Hades. What do we have next? These are $2, so 2 and 4, and that's what we have. So we'll finish Perseus and Medusa. Yay, so we finished 2 cards, so I'm just going to stick those in the back. And we got to not have an IOU today, so I'm just going to shove that in the Mythic minis. Yay, that was probably a short and sweet video, but I wanted to make sure I was still moving forward with this, so I'm going to take a peek. So we have 1 on Zeus, 1 on Hermes, which is probably, I know that's not how you say it. Ooh, a big one on Dionysius, 3 on Aphrodite, 2 on Apollo, 1 on Athena, 1 on Hera. All right. And then we have some minis left, and we finished our quest. So I feel like we might have just one more time doing this one. So maybe another pop-up in the month of January, or I might add it on to maybe one of my Monday or Tuesday videos. So thank you guys for popping in with me on this Saturday. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.